Hello everyone, this is Kathy Lien coming to you from the CME NYMEX floor. The US and Canadian dollars are in play over the next 24 hours because we have dual employment reports from both countries. Now, from the US as well as Canada, labor market data is expected to be softer. From the US, we have the non-farm payrolls report, and from Canada, we have the monthly labor data. Starting off with the US, we know that the data that we receive in October, which reflects the month of September, is going to have the distortions related to the hurricanes. And the question is, how much damage do the hurricanes do to the labor market? And I actually think that we may not see too much weakness. And the reason for that is because the ISM manufacturing and non-manufacturing reports, the employment components of those reports, actually showed improvements in the labor market and increases in job growth, which tells us that the labor market did not suffer so hard from the hurricanes. And even if the data is softer, I think a lot of market participants, as well as the Federal Reserve, is going to overlook that and look beyond the latest report to where the recovery will be in the following month. So I believe that the risk is going to be the upside for the US dollar. Now, looking at Canada, Canada has been, performing, the economy in general has been performing very well. And for the most part, over the past few months, we've seen tremendous strength in the Canadian dollar. But in the month of September, the Bank of Canada started to shift their course and started to suggest that they may not be looking to raise interest rates again in 2017. So dollar CAD is very much vulnerable to a short squeeze. And that short squeeze would be exacerbated if we got a soft labor market report. If we do see more job losses in Canada, or job losses period, that could propel dollar CAD all the way up to 127.50. U.S. data does take precedent overall and will certainly be the first driver of the U.S. dollar Canadian dollar pair. But Canada also has pretty important data. So that makes dollar CAD very much an interesting pair to be trading and watching over the next 24 hours. Thank you so much.